Hello, Hizami here. I'm filling in for Aiman today because he's all the way in Harvard right now, so he can't do this video. Today I'm going to tell you about this LED cob work light that my dad got off of Amazon because he wants to fix my brother's car, but it's sometimes hard to see in there because it's so dark, so this light will actually help him with it. So let's open this up. Alright, comes in plastic. It looks like it has a charging cord, and oh, it has an instruction manual. Okay. So here it is. It looks very portable. It's just this little rod. And you can see it shows you the battery level. So right now it's full. It has 4 green bars. And it looks like it opens up like this. And there's a power button here. It looks like there's 2 things here. Oh. There is a USB-C and a USB port. So it looks like the USB charger, the input is USB-C, and you charge it from a USB port. And then it looks like here, I think you can maybe even charge your own phone from this. So it acts like a power bank too if you want. So it's very useful. But of course the main functionality is it's a flashlight. So here's the power button. So you press it the first time and then this light comes on. And then you press it a second time, both lights come on. And then the third time it's just this light. And then you press it the 4th time, it turns off. So let's see, does it make it look brighter? Oh yeah, see? So you can really see the darkest areas. Alright, and then it's not just a light. So there are some other things you can do with it to make it more useful. So it looks like there's a hook attachment. So if you don't want to hold it all the time, you can maybe hook it onto something and then turn it on. Yeah. Or maybe, oh, what is that? Oh, there's a magnet too. So you can actually attach it to something that's magnetic, and then it'll just stay there. Oh, and there's magnets on the back too. So you see there's magnets here, all these metal things. These are all magnets. So you can attach it like this, probably, or a flat surface. Let's see. Oh, this hook. Let me put the hook away. So attach it like this, and then it just stays there. And so yeah, it's actually going to be very useful and versatile. Yeah, so you can get this on Amazon for about $30. My dad bought it for $30. The current model he actually ordered is right now unavailable, but there's a lot of similar types of models there. So if we find any, we'll put them in the link so you can find them on Amazon. And I guess maybe we can just test this out a little bit more. So let's see. So yeah. You want to look down here, maybe you want both lights. Oh yeah, you can definitely see all the way down there. Okay, what if you use this one? Okay, yeah, it's more focused. Okay, and then you can see like back here, and then if you want a lot more light, put it all the way. Let's see. Oh, it goes 180 degrees, so you can actually put it all the way back here if you want. Yeah. Does it go more? No, this is the spot. And of course, it'll work a lot better at night. In the day, it's not as useful because you can see most of the outside. But my dad, he's a night owl, so he does a lot of his work at night. So of course, this will be a lot more useful to him. Alright, I'm Hizami. This is Aurelia. And so I'm going back to MIT soon. So this is actually the last video I'll be doing in a while. And then maybe Aiman will take over at some point. Or maybe he'll do some videos right from Harvard. But yeah, maybe when I'm back in like November around Thanksgiving, maybe I'll do another video. I don't know. But, you know, thanks for watching. Please like, rate, comment, and subscribe. and take a look at some of our other videos. Peace. Ah!